I think I have told a little bit with some Korean people already. Where do they live? I check it out for you. Where do they live, huh? You know, the survivors. First, they live in a less polluted area. There were some pockets of less polluted area in Mars at that time, less poisonous. They survive, and they start picking up pieces, and then they go into the underground caves, and they dig tunnels and live in there. The survivors slowly get in touch with each other during the 20 years period until most of them are contacted with each other. First telepathically, of course, and then physically. Then they gather together, dig up more and deeper tunnels and caves underground and arrange for more comfort and community. Is there anywhere else I can tell you? Okay. They occupy like 1/3 part of Mars and near each other now, and they build roads and streets and all that. Here, they would start to dig tunnels and big spaces, big ceiling, about 10 meters high, yeah? And between the ground and the ceiling, about 10 meters high, some part of it underground. And they have like 5 stories space, yeah, in between them, yes. They found the underground water, river, and they live nearby. Most of the people live near the underground water. I told you take it easy on me because my information is all over the planet here, you know. Okay. And what else? Where and how they live. There might be some more information, you know. Before they lived like a little bit far away and spread around all over the planet, underground, but now they kind of gathered together almost nearby in the same vicinity and live together as one nation.
Wow.
Okay, I check out any more information before you ask another question.
Okay.
Because I have noticed, you know, it's not like ABC or, you know, it's not like organized things. I really had no time, but because you want to know, I try my best. I think that's it, and you can ask more, and then we find more information, yeah?
Okay, thank you, Master.
Hello, Master.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Very good, very good.
I have some question, Master.
Please.
Is this latest news about NASA discovery of methane related to the Mars people living underground?
Could be, yes. You know, because they have to pump their toxic gases from their activities from underground to the surface of Mars so that they can detox and purify the air that they breathe. Yeah. Okay?
Okay, thank you, Master. Next question. Since how long have Martians been living underground?
Since after the mass destruction on Mars, they began to live underground ever since then.
I see.
Yeah.
Thank you. And the Martians currently living underground, are they aware of what had happened in their planet history?
They have been told. They pass on the knowledge of what happened of their planet to their children and grandchildren. Even though it's 40 million years ago, they retain the history of what happened so that the descendants know how to take care of what they have and not to be careless and not to be so destructive anymore, but more virtue and, you know, spiritual. They must live like that. Okay?
Yes, and Master, during the destruction of the planet, how did they die?
Oh, terrible. Let me check. The mass extinction came, they die, not only human beings and there, but the animals also, they die by two main poisonous gases, namely hydrogen sulfide and nitrous oxide, plus methane as the third cause. But hydrogen sulfide and methane from the livestock began to warm the climate and then trigger more other gases from the ocean, from permafrost and glacier around the planet, just like what's happening to our planet right now. Let me see if anything else I need to... Okay, I check, okay? One moment. I'm checking if anything else. And okay, they die, agonizing death, not like quick death, but slow. It takes men and animals around 4 days to die a very painful and suffocating slow death. As the destruction happened too fast, no one can help anyone. 90% of the populations, including the animals, they die. And then sometimes later, another 5% also die. And then a while later, 3.8% also die. Only 0.2% of them escape, around 2 million, into the underground caves. And then they dig deeper, longer, and they live next to the underground river, and that's how they survive. Check out anything else. I think that's it, huh? Yeah, okay. If any more, I tell you later.
I would like to ask one last question. Are the Martians working on restoring their planet to its original state right now?
They can't. It's not for human to even restore this kind of catastrophically destructed planet. But the planet will revive itself, by natural process. And it takes 1 more million years. So I check it out. Yeah, 1 million years more, and Mars will be inhabitable. Yeah, small bushes will begin to grow, and then weeds and grass, and and then fruit trees, etc., etc. River and stream and sea will begin to form again, and gradually human and animals will be able to settle on Mars' surface again. I think that's it. Nothing more.
Thank you very much, Master.
You're welcome. If you're not satisfied, you can ask for more explanation, okay?
Yes, Master.
We thank you for your presence on today's Between Master and Disciples. Tune in next Friday for Part 2 of Supreme Master Ching Hai's exciting discussion titled Benevolent Messages from Mars, Be Virtuous and Save the Earth. Animal World Our Co-Inhabitants is up next, right after Noteworthy News, here on Supreme Master Television. May the Providence guide us in wisdom and love.